Well folks, it's a beautiful sunny day. Welcome to the next phase of the garage roof project. And today we're going to peel off the roof. Now, one thing I was going to show you is, and this is a particular problem with old, especially rather bodged installations. And you can see there, if I just move the camera to the metal, see the screw? Now that is rusty, so it is basically not going to come off without a grinder of some kind. And as you can see, there's 4 sheets held on with that single screw. So there's not really any option of lifting 4 sheets off in one. So we're going to have to get some kind of grinding tool and take the nut out somehow. I don't see that kind of thing anywhere else on the roof. I think that is the only one. So just as a heads up, always the first technique to try is to cut the rusty threads off and then see if the nut comes off. Obviously trying to hold a spanner in the middle of a dangerous roof and then trying to undo it from the other side is pretty well impossible, even with somebody helping you. So always try that first before you actually have to cut the nut. In this case I was very lucky. Well, that's that little lot removed. Okay, so wearing these gloves because some of the edges are very sharp. No, there's another one. Okay, so we have a lot of overgrown vegetation, and the gutter ends are full of dirt too. Well, it seems, folks, that the previous owner has actually riveted sheets to get that. So I'm just going to show you this. Okay, folks, so the previous owner seems to... Okay, folks, so that's half of the roof is now off. We've got to level it, so we've got to take off those serrations there, chinking you might call it. That's got to be removed with the cold chisel. And there's a rather strange cement filler technique used there with willow twigs, which is quite amusing. I wonder who thought of that. And if we come round, I've got a similar piece of serration just here, and the gutterings are full of dirt too. They've got to be cleaned out. So there's also a couple of these roofing bolts that sheared, so we'll have to find those and get them cut off or hammered down or something. Okay, folks, that brings us to the end of this particular episode. Thanks very much for watching.